First of all, let us assume Welcome to daily practice. In this video, I will explain you solution of the question that you can see on your screen. So I urge you to watch this video till end, and if you face any doubt, you can share it in the comment box or DM it to my Instagram handle. Without any further delay, let's start solution of this question. First of all, let us assume the given function sin inverse of x plus cos inverse of x is equal to f of x, which is equal to y. So let y is equal to f of x, where f of x is equal to this given function sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x. So now what I will do, I will differentiate this given function. So what I will get, differentiate with respect to x. Therefore f dash of x is equal to derivative of sec inverse of x is equal to 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1. Derivative of cosec inverse of x is minus 1 upon x into under root of x square minus 1. Now here you can see that mod of x is equal to 1 means x minus 1 is greater than 0. If I multiply this term with x plus 1, then what I will get, x minus 1 x plus 1 is greater than 0. Therefore this x minus 1 and x plus 1 will give me x square minus 1, which is greater than 0. So this x square minus 1 is greater than 0, which means that this x square minus 1 in the denominator will be greater than 0. So this is the significance of this for mod of x greater than 1. I hope you have understood the significance. Now I will continue to solve this further. So what I will get, f dash of x. Now this 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1 minus 1 upon x under root of x square minus 1. This will get cancelled and I will be left with 0. Now here you can see that derivative of f of x is equal to 0, which implies that the function f of x is a constant function. C is a constant function. This also means that for any value of x, the value of function f of x will remain constant. The value of f of x will remain constant. Therefore, for simplicity, I will put x is equal to 0 in equation number. I will mark this as equation number 1, this as equation number 2. In equation number 2, then what I will get, f of 0 is equal to c. This I will mark as equation number 3. Then I will put x is equal to 0 in equation 1. Then what I will get, f of 0 is equal to sec inverse of 0 plus cosec inverse of 0. What I have done, I have replaced x with its value x is equal to 0 in this equation number 1, and I have obtained this step. Now I will simplify this further, and what I will get, sec inverse of 0 will give me pi by 2, and this cosec inverse of 0 will give me 0. Therefore the value of f of 0 is equal to pi by 2. I will mark this as equation number 4. Therefore from equation 3 and 4, what I will get, I will get the value of c, which is equal to pi by 2, and I will mark this as equation number 5. Now what I will do, I will equate equation number 2 and equation number 5. Then what I will get? Equating equation number 2 and equation number 5. Then what I will get? I will get the value of f of x is equal to c. C is equal to pi by 2. So f of x is equal to pi by 2. But f of x is equal to sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x from equation number 1. So what I will get? I will put the value of f of x from equation number 1. Then I will get sec inverse of x plus cosec inverse of x is equal to pi by 2 using equation 1. Therefore, we have proved the given relation. So I will write here hence proof. I hope you have understood each and every step in this solution. If that is the case, then give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. So that's it for this video. See you in the next video. Till then, keep practicing.